Hey everyone, how are you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. Hopefully everybody is drinking their tea. Yes, this is going to be a sips by video, and this is actually going to be a sips by week. So what I mean by that is I think I'm going to start this week out with my sips by monthly subscription box, but then every other day this week, quickly, before I get into the specialty box, I'm going to show you today what is Sips By. Sips By is a monthly tea discovery box. It means if you're a tea lover, or if you know a tea lover, or if you just kind of like teas and you want to test them out, Sips By offers a couple options for teas on their website. They have a monthly subscription box. You take a very in-depth quiz, really let Sips By know what your tea likes and dislikes are, and then you will get a personalized monthly tea box sent to your door. It is $15 per month with free shipping in the United States. That is the monthly subscription box. If you also go to the Sips By website, you'll see a lot of other things they offer there. They offer tea accessories, they offer individual teas that you can buy, and they offer their tea boxes. And what these are boxes that kind of have unique themes. For example, they may have one for birthdays, for anniversaries, for Mother's Day. I think they have a woman's tea brand tea box. They have tea boxes that have teas in it that are supposed to help improve your mood, your sleep, just a big variety of specialty tea boxes. You can give someone one box of a specialty tea box, a 3-month gift, a 6-month gift, and so on. So that is what this week is going to be all about. Each day I'm going to be showing you a new specialty tea box that Sips By is offering on their website. Let's get into today's specialty tea box. Sips By's tea boxes come to you packaged in this nice compact cardboard box that says Sips By on it, and when you open it up, there's always an informational card inside that lets you know what specific tea box you're getting. And this card, I think, is so adorable. A little cat sleeping by, a woman drinking a cup of tea. How cute. This is my autumn tea box. And when you flip it over at the top, it just tells you some of the things about the tea box. It tells you how it was curated. It tells you that the filters are biodegradable, things like that. And then when you look at the bottom of this card, it gives you really helpful information on how to steep the teas, the temperature, and how long to do it for. Let's take a look and see what is in this autumn specialty tea box. The tea box comes with some of these reusable muslin cloth tea bags. These are really helpful for steeping the loose tea in the bag. They're great, especially if you give this as a gift and someone doesn't have anything that they can steep the tea in. This is already provided for them. The first tea that I pulled out of the box is the Davidson Organic Tea. It's the organic spiced pear tea. That sounds so good. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of that. Next is this very interesting tea. It is by Byron Teas. It is Southern Pecan green tea. This tea looks so cool. So I received 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of that. Next, I have this large pouch of Churchills fine teas. Oh my gosh, this is apple strudel oolong tea. I've tested this before. It's absolutely delicious. And this is loose tea, so this is something I would use the reusable muslin cloth tea bags to steep. And then finally in my box is a large pouch of Woodsong herbs, autumn in Vermont maple tea. And this is also something that's probably a loose tea that I would use the reusable muslin cloth tea bags to steep. That is what makes up the specialty autumn tea box from Sips By. And I think today this Byron's organic Southern Pecan green tea looks so interesting. I'm going to have to test that one. I'm going to have to test that one out. Let me grab that and start steeping. I can't say enough about these specialty tea boxes from Sips By. I really do love these boxes. They are so much fun to open up, and the teas inside are so different and unique and sound delicious. Again, a great gift for someone. You can buy this alone for $15, or you can give someone a 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month Sips By gift card, or you can give yourself one. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll leave all the information for this box down below in my description box. Take care, drink your tea. Bye-bye from Marla.